Hello everyone! I am Marie and welcome to my studio. Today I am going to do the studio tour. It's long overdue, but here it is. Come on, let me show you. I will start here. This is my nail gel polish collection that I have. Here I have some boards that I use for my watercolor. I have here some inks and some liquid watercolors. And this is my plant care stuff behind there, and some books and whatnot. And this is a beautiful plant. So this is my door. Do you remember last time my door that I painted it with metallic with magnetic paint, but it wasn't that strong, so I painted it again with a magnetic paint, a stronger one, and that one was gray color, so I didn't like the color, so I painted chalkboard paint on top of it, and now it's awesome. And bonus, I can do some chalk art on it too, so that's cool, right? So if you remember my other tour, my studio tour, here in this whole wall here, I had this cubes unit, the whole wall here, but I got scared because it was heavy and I had this feeling like it can just fall down, and so I asked my husband to take it off. So he divided it and made me more of these units, so I didn't lose storage at all. So, and this way I like it better. So this is my sewing corner, or my sewing station as I call it. And so I have my blocks that I'm working on, and these are some butterflies that I have there. The ones that I was pinning are those, and so I will hang this one on top here, and yeah, that's the plan. And so here I have another one of these that my teacher sent me. These are from Kid and Clouder, and I put them in these frames because they have wonderful sentiments on. And so, but the shop only had 3, so I'm still waiting for them to get more. And yeah, this is just where I just store stuff. Most are empty. And this is a beautiful plant. This is a beautiful plant that my niece gave me. Beautiful, beautiful. And so on my shelves, lovely, with my knickknacks and stuff. And look at that. Don't you love it? Marie's art studio. I love it. So that, and that's for a camera. The only thing, I have to move it because now straight down is about here, so that's not good. So I have to move it because I I moved the whole desk to accommodate, of course, the unit that my husband made me, so I had to move it. So this is, of course, still for sewing and more, and my spare kitchen towels for my watercolor. And all right, and then that's for my my card making, and that's our ink pads and stuff and quilting stuff. And this is the beautiful desk that I got for Christmas. Isn't it beautiful? It's just beautiful. And underneath is just because I don't know where to put it. And this is a book press that my husband made me. And these are all kinds of book binding stuff that I have. And this is the book that I made. I took a class from Skillshare, and the name of the teacher, I think, is Ido Agassi or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Wonderful teacher. And this is my first book binding try, and I love it. I put my handmade I didn't make the paper, but it's handmade watercolor paper, and I just love it. It's just amazing. It's beautiful, and I want to make a lot more sketchbooks. So this came with the table, but they supposed to be here, and I didn't really like how they looked or what the purpose was, because if you put it like, everything's gonna fall down. So I put them here to see if I need it while I am using the table. If not, they'll go away. So this is a beautiful I don't know what's the name of this flower. I don't know. Card that I have received from friends that I love. My beautiful, crazy Goofy. I love Goofy. Goofy is my favorite, if you didn't notice. It's my favorite. So that's color pencils and all kinds of stuff. There's watercolor pencils too. I have another butterfly there with the little gnomes. And this is my plant corner. I love it. It's just, I don't know if it's my favorite spot. Maybe of the whole house, I don't know. This is my favorite spot here because I just love it. I love nature. And this is nature in my studio. I have some babies here that I can't wait to see them grow. So yeah, I do love my plant corner. Don't you love it? I do. I love this. All right. So then the other side of the room, there's my lights. And I have my markers, the Copic markers, my color pencils, and all kinds of other stuff for inking or yeah. And then I have all the papers. I have calligraphy paper, I have card making papers, and marker paper, all kinds of paper. And then I have here some stamps and whatnot, card making stuff, actually, is all of that. And then I have my desk. this is the desk, and the camera is up there, and I have another light there. And so this is my desk. And yes, I have my palette here that you already saw. Beautiful, beautiful. And so I always have coffee, or I have something to drink. And like you see over there, I have another. I'm always drinking something cold or hot. That depends. Today I have my coffee, but I kind of want something cold now. So that's the thing. Okay, so this is my desk. I love it. And I have all my brushes and my all kinds of stuff and plants. I have plants all over. And yes, and this is a lamp that if it's not enough light, oops, I use it. My chair and my laptop, and you know, and I still have my poinsettia. Is that how you call it? Pink one. Love it. Still good. And those are my orchids. They're doing fine, I hope, because it's sunny outside. Maybe you can't see very well. And I have hats and books and more books. And I have nail stuff there also, and my printer, my paper. And then I have here my the TV that I mostly have just like this with, you know, the music. And this is artwork from Paris when that was 1998, so that's very long time ago, and that's me. And is made with charcoal and in Montmartre. Yeah, and there we are again where we started. Plus family stuff, pictures, and my picture of the Twin Towers, because we never forget. And so yeah, that is it. That is the studio. This is my favorite place to be. It's my peaceful place, my happy place. So I hope that you enjoyed the tour, and if you have any ideas or what you think, give me a comment. And so I will see you next time. Be blessed, and thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. So bye.